everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add music, trim and split the audio in CapCut. So here, the first thing that I want to show you is how you can add audio or music to your videos in CapCut. First, you just need to click on the audio menu at the bottom, and here you can choose whether you want to use the sound from CapCut. You can use the sound effect, or if you want to extract a sound from a video. So I'm going to just use the sound from CapCut. For example, you can also listen it to first. Okay, then click on a plus icon if you want to add it to the clip. Okay, so the second one is to trim. If you want to trim or split your audio, you can just click on the audio first, and there will be an option to split here. So go to where the part of the audio that you want to split, for example in here, then click on a split option, and just like that, the audio will be split into two like this. And to trim is just, you can just click on the audio and drag this white box at the end of the audio, drag it to the right if it's in here, or to the left if it's on the other end, and just like that, the audio will be trimmed. Okay guys, so that's a simple tutorial from me, but I hope it will be helpful. So don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and click on the subscribe button. Bye.